I am Nevin Jenkins. I am the District Technology Integration Specialist for Warrensville Heights City Schools. Thanks to everyone that helped make this trip happen for our teachers, especially Ms. Campbell and Diana Allen. It was a great experience in which our teachers were always having conversations about ideas that were attainable for Warrensville Heights. We saw great teachers and students doing great things because their own district leaders afforded them the opportunity with tech resources and allowed them to take risks and try new things. We feel that Warrensville is headed in the right direction in terms of technology. Here is my own reflection about the presentations, the conversations, and the ideas that we could do right here in Warrensville Heights. First off, on the way down, I asked Connie Fasig and Aaron Hall to help me process the best learning management system for Warrensville Heights. We've been using Schoology in the past, actually for the past 2 years, for teachers to build their courses online. But I am not attached to Schoology. Edmodo is a popular choice here in Ohio. And another resource that we learned about was ilearnohio.org, which was designed by the Ohio RC. I was really impressed with different aspects of it, and we're still trying to see what's the best for Warrensville at this time. I also learned from Marianne Guidos over at Orange how she set up her teacher course for her staff. She puts it all in Moodle, and we'll be able to build the same kind of course inside of Schoology. So she gave me some really good ideas, including a teacher's lounge that's built inside the course where teachers can learn some new things. Another point, I saw a keynote presentation, and this presenter said, students come to school to feel successful and have fun with friends. That's the only 2 reasons kids come to school. The best apps for administrators, it was a bad presentation that we saw. I went in with Miss Dudley, who was the John Dewey principal. But there are some links that I'm going to post on the Math Remix website spot called Administration for Administrators and Board Members. www.coesjourney.com. I met the founder last year. This year, the session was provided by a teacher that uses the site. It's a very good way to have students fulfill math objectives through storytelling. And it does cost, and we would need to make sure students have the resources in school to access it online daily. I went to all these different iPad apps galore kind of sessions for all different levels. I'm going to post all those links on mathremix.com. I am recommitted to QR codes. Even after the conference, Aaron Hall, the 7th grade social studies teacher, had a great idea using QR codes. I supported him in this project. We did a Black History project using a green screen. You can see all of these videos on our Warrensville Creative YouTube website. And the lesson plan is also on mathremix.com by clicking on the Now section at this moment. But in the future, it'll be placed on the middle school webpage. But I'm recommitted to QR codes and how we could do it here at Warrensville. One district even uses their bring your own BYOD, so students bring their own device, but in order to register, they just take their device and they click a QR code and register there. That way our technicians can see who's using our system. I went to a session called vocabulary.com. I was very impressed with this site. This site has full lessons put to rap and song so students can remember things. They also have lesson plans and beats for kids to write their own rhymes. I signed up for the free 4th quarter, which I'll find out in the future how to access that. And I also found out that our 7th grade ELA teacher, Ms. Freeman, pays yearly to access the resources, and she really loves the site. Another session that I went to was about how to collaborate with another class from another district on a team project. They use Skype and Google Docs. And there are ups and downs to planning the project this way, but it's definitely something that we can try and see which teachers would like to do it. The next slides that you will see were contributions from other teachers that went to the ETech conference. They put their thoughts on a Google presentation. I will continue the conversations with them as they try new things. If you have questions for them, feel free to email them at using the following system, the first name dot last name at whcsd.org. And just remember, it's all about the conversations. Quick update about LMS. Connie Fasig and I just met comparing Edmodo to Schoology. Right now, Schoology is still the winner, and that's what we use already. At this moment, that's the way I'm thinking. We still have to compare that to iLearn Ohio, which is still a great resource for Ohio teachers. So we're still trying to work those out. If you'd like to be a part of that conversation, please let me know. That's what we're thinking about right now.